Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about one of the most exciting products in our flashlight lineup. It's the upgrade to our TN42. So let's just get right into it. So to understand why this flashlight is so exciting, you have to understand who it's for. This is for specifically those people who really want the most powerful flashlight that we offer. One of the best flashlights on the market, the most powerful throw light. Now a throw light is obviously a lot different than a floodlight. A floodlight will illuminate a lot of the area directly in front of you, whereas the purpose of a throw light is to center the beam and project that beam as far out as it possibly can. It's got a very different reflector, one that focuses that center beam to project the longest. So that's what this TN42 is, and the TN42 V2 improves upon the TN42 in a lot of ways. So let's just get right into the unboxing of this new light. All right, so here we have the box. Opening it up. Customer service card where you can find us on social media, and you can also get a free keychain light. And then we have our warranty information here. We have the shoulder strap right here, and right here we have the USB-C charging cable. And of course, some spare parts. But now we have the flashlight itself. Put that box to the side. And here we go. What a flashlight. Okay, so here it is. We have the new ThruNite TN42 V2. And honestly, this is a lot smaller than what I was thinking. It's not too thick. I was thinking the four 21700 batteries would make it a lot thicker. But it really isn't. Let me go ahead and grab the original. Okay, so here we have the two lights side by side, the original TN42 and the new one. And really size difference is not that much shorter of a light, and it's really not as thick as I thought it would be. I thought it would be quite a bit more difficult to hold, but it's really not. It's a lot, it's even more manageable in the hand because it's shorter. It's pretty similar length on the flashlight head, very similar reflectors, but of course you can definitely see a visual difference there in terms of the LED. It's a much larger LED that we have on this new TN42. Okay, so here we are unscrewing the base. Make sure to unscrew this portion and not the flashlight head, because this also does unscrew. So you want to make sure to leave that together like that. And of course here is the battery protector to make sure the light doesn't turn on for batteries. Okay, so there it is. The intensity of the beam is measured in candelas. For one of our popular everyday carry flashlights, ThruNite T2, which is more of a flood, it's still capable of projecting light out to 158 meters, but its maximum candelas, which measures that light intensity at the flashlight's hottest spot, is 6,000. So the TN42 original is over 600,000, which enables the TN42 to hit over 1,500 meters. Now the TN42 V2 is over 800,000 and can hit 1,800 meters or 6,102 feet. It's absolutely insane, over a mile of beam distance here with this small flashlight. The TN42 is powered by four 18650 batteries. What's special about the TN42 version 2 is we've upgraded that to use four 21700 batteries, giving you even more power. Now what's special about the TN42 V2 is you can use one battery, you can use two batteries, three, or the supplied 4 batteries. If one of your batteries does not charge correctly, no worries. This is a change from the old version where it had to have all 4. You'll have less runtime, obviously, but the benefit is pretty clear. In the original, you had to charge the batteries outside of the flashlight. You had to remove the batteries, put them in a separate battery charger, and it just complicates the experience. With the new TN42 V2, it's USB-C rechargeable directly from the flashlight itself. So you don't have to take out the batteries, you can just leave them in the flashlight, simply plug it in to a wall outlet with the provided USB charging cable, and you're good to go. You'll see the red indicator light when it is charging, and it will turn blue when it's fully charged. So in the new design of the TN42, we are now able to hit 4,848 lumens, over twice the power that was in the original. So in the next video, I'm gonna be comparing the TN42 to the new upgraded one, and hopefully demonstrate just how powerful both of these lights are, especially the new upgraded TN42 V2. So that's a video to look out for. Make sure you click subscribe if you enjoyed this video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.